we are all set. The first item you are going to get is salt. Salt. Next item is chocolate. Chocolate. Next is ball pen. Ball pen. Notebook. Notebook. Next item is identification card. The last item is birth certificate. Birth certificate. Okay, let us review some items you got like PSA or birth certificate and ID or identification card. What information can you see? Yes, you can see some important data from the owner of the ID or PSA. And for today, we are going to fill out the forms with the correct information or data that is asked for us to fill out. This is a partial copy of learner's enrollment and survey form. On this part, you are going to write the PSA birth certificate number if you have your birth certificate with you. Learner reference number or LRN. Last name is your surname. First name. First name is the name given to you when you were born. And your middle name. If you have extension name like Junior the third, you can write it on the blank. In filling out forms, we must remember to 1. Read each item carefully. Number 2. Follow the directions. Number 3. Find out if you are asked to use black letter format or capital letters. If an item does not apply to you, leave it blank or put NA. Write the true information. Number 6. Write the correct information on the space it must be written. Do not make erasures. Number 8. Handle the form with proper care. 9. If there is an item on the form you do not understand, ask for help or assistance of your parent or your teacher. 10. Review the entries or date you have entered before submitting the form. In filling out forms, you also have to remember to give the form to the authorized person who will collect it. Now we already set things to remember when filling out the forms. Let us go to our next activity. This form is called an admission form. We usually use this form during enrollment. You write your personal information here like your first name, surname, the date of birth or your birthday, the name of your father, the name of your mother, the occupation of your father, the occupation of your mother. The occupation is the work or job of your parents. Educational qualification of father, educational qualification of mother, if they finish secondary, elementary, or tertiary. Next is an example of deposit slip. This form is used when you are saving money in the bank. Some important details needed here is the day when you are depositing the money, the account number or the account number of your passbook or ATM, and also the amount of money you want to deposit. It says here amount in figures. So you're going to write the value of the money in figures. The value or size of a series of values as money is called denomination. You are going to put that amount if the deposit slip needs the denomination of your money you want to deposit. Next is an example of withdrawal slip. You can notice that the deposit slip and withdrawal slip has the same information needed but they have different purpose. In this form, you are taking out the money you saved from the bank if necessary. The needed information you have to write in this form is your account number that can be seen on your passbook or ATM. The day you are getting the money and your full name, and also the amount of the money you want to withdraw. For this activity, we are going to try to fill out the form, admission form. Name, family, given name, and middle name. This is where you put your name. Some forms require you to write first your family name instead. Grade to enroll. Here you are going to write what grade are you going to enroll. If you pass grade 4, then you will enroll to grade 5. Age. Here you are going to write your age or the year since you were born. Sex. This refers to your gender, female for girl and male for boy. This part is where you write your location or residence. Where you live, write it here. Previous school, this part you will write where you finished grade 4. This is to know whether you are a new pupil or not to the school you want to enroll. Here you are going to write your birthday of the day when you were born. Birthplace. This is where you write the place where you were born. Name of father. This is where you write the name of your biological father. Name of mother. This is where you write the name of your biological mother. This part, the occupation of father. This part you are going to write the work of your father. And this part, you are going to write the number of your mother, father, or your number if you have cell phone. I hope you learned from the video. Thank you for watching.